Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make different types of omelets. First, crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl and whisk them gently with a fork until just combined. Avoid over-whisking, as this can make your omelet tough. Heat a non-stick pan, ideally 8 inches over medium-low heat, then add a small amount of butter or oil. This foundational technique ensures a perfect base for any omelet style. For a classic French omelette, pour your whisked eggs into the hot, buttered pan. Immediately, use a fork to stir the eggs rapidly for about 15 seconds, breaking up any large curds. As the eggs begin to set, stop stirring and let the bottom cook. Tilt the pan and gently roll the omelette onto itself, forming a neat cylinder. It should be soft and creamy inside with no browning. The American-style omelet is often fluffier and more robust. After pouring the eggs into the pan, let them cook undisturbed until the edges are set and the top is mostly firm, about 1 to 2 minutes. Now, add your desired fillings like cheese, vegetables, or cooked meats onto one half of the omelet. Then, simply fold the other half over the fillings, creating a delicious, hearty meal. Once you master the basic techniques, the possibilities for omelet variations are endless. Try adding different cheeses, fresh herbs like chives or parsley, or even a dash of hot sauce for a kick. Cooked vegetables such as spinach or mushrooms and meats like ham or bacon also make excellent additions. Remember to serve your omelet immediately to enjoy its optimal texture and warmth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.